On Saturday, my administration helped broker a full and immediate ceasefire, I think a permanent one, between India and Pakistan, ending a dangerous conflict of two nations with lots of nuclear weapons.
First, he lied about brokering the Operation Sindoor ceasefire. Not once, not twice, but more than 30 times.
I'm averaging about a war a month. The last three were very close together. India and Pakistan.
When Prime Minister Narendra Modi stuck to his guns in Parliament and refused to give in to American bullying, President Trump lashed out with a 25% tariff plus a penalty for India's ties with long-term strategic partner Russia. The meltdown continued online with Trump announcing an oil deal with a state sponsor of radical Islamist terror, Pakistan, clearly to spite India. And then came the ultimate barb. A tantrum-throwing Trump claimed that India's economy was dead and he couldn't care less about it. At a time when the country's national interest and its reputation are both under attack from an erratic Donald Trump, national interest dictates that our political leaders stand as one, keeping India first. But that message clearly hasn't reached Rahul Gandhi.
Everybody knows that the Indian economy is a dead economy. I'm glad that President Trump has stated a fact. आपको ये मालूम नहीं है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी डेड इकोनॉमी है?
The leader of opposition in parliament has not just publicly agreed with Donald Trump, he's reiterated that claim that the Indian economy is dead. Rahul Gandhi's statement hasn't gone down well, not just with the government, but even his allies in the India bloc. Some of his own party loyalists have also disagreed with him.
इंडिया कभी झुकेगी नहीं, इंडिया का इकोनॉमी कभी डेड नहीं हो सकती है. ये ट्रम्प और कोई भी आया और हिंदुस्तान का और मोदी जी का ट्रम्प का दोस्ती का चक्कर में हिंदुस्तान का इतना बेइज्जती हो रहा है.
But the opposition has mocked Modi's much touted friendship with Trump and called it a failure of Modi's diplomacy.
जो सरकार लगातार पिछले 11 वर्षों से दोस्ती के बाद दोस्ती और कितनी दोस्ती बढ़ाई कि आज हमें क्या दिन देखने को पड़ रहे हैं. ये शुरुआत है बुरे दिनों की.
Call him the greatest liar of the century. उस प्रस्ताव को स्वीकार करिए. ये व्यक्ति आपे से बाहर हो रहे हैं और ये हिंदुस्तान की किसी सरकार को डिमीन नहीं कर रहे हैं, हिंदुस्तान को डिमीन कर रहे हैं.
The government has assured that talks are ongoing and the Modi government is working for the nation.
सरकार हालिया घटनाक्रम से होने वाले प्रभावों का परीक्षण कर रही है. वाणिज्य एवं उद्योग मंत्रालय निर्यातकों और उद्योग सहित सभी हितधारकों से संवाद कर इस विषय पर उनके आकलन की जानकारी ले रहा है.
Criticizing the government's policies, the opposition's right and responsibility, but by throwing India's economy under the bus, has Rahul Gandhi crossed a line?